The most powerful element in advertising is the truth. I can prove anything by statistics except the truth. The truth is the vintage bitter, never less. Truth sits upon the lips of dying men. There are times a country is so tired of bull that only the truth can provide relief. It is error alone which needs the support of government. Truth can stand by itself. The first ingredient in conversation is truth, the next good sense, the third good humor, and the fourth wit. When truth has no burning, then it is philosophy. When it gets burning from the heart, it becomes poetry. The truth is the harder you fight, the sweeter are the rewards in the end. Go to the truth beyond the mind. Love is the bridge. I am humble but very earnest seeker after truth. Architecture is the reaching out for the truth. Stop holding your truth. Speak your truth. Be yourself. It is the healthiest way to be.